There's a total of 28 bolts holding the case together, and they go from 12 newton meters up to 24 newton meters. And it's 1 through 28, and each torque spec is different, and it jumps all over the place. So you've really got to pay attention when you're torquing this down, because the engineers knew how to exactly torque this so it wouldn't flex and spread the load across the crank and the transmission properly. Hypercritical. If you look though, you'll see they're numbered. There's numbers right on the case. So even if you didn't have the manual in front of you and you knew the torque specs, they're at least numbered, but each one of these is different. So that's paramount that you do that. And I also went with the Yamaha Bond number 4, which is what it specs for. Really and truly, I mean, you could probably use any decent RTV, but when you're this far down and you're doing this much work, I'd rather spend the 25 bucks for the Yamaha Bond than the $12 or $14 for the Napa stuff. Just a little peace of mind. But anyway, yeah, making progress. So hopefully I'll let this dry overnight, and then tomorrow I'll start putting the water pump in. I've got to rebuild it, replace the ceramic spring type compression spring seal that it has in there. I got to replace that and put it in, put all new O-rings on the pipe fittings, and then button up the bottom, put the timing chain through, the oil pump chain on, and then start working on the cylinder head. So we're getting there. All right, thanks for checking in, guys.